super exciting. I want to thank everyone in my family and everyone who supported me along the way. I also want to thank Mines for making this really difficult year ending in a special way.
Hi, my name is Tori and I just got my master's in the Civil and Environmental Department. I am super thankful for all the professors and the friends I made in my department, and I had a really great time here at Mines.
Thank you, Mines, for the 3 beautiful years of Ph.D. And thanks to everyone at Mines for keeping the research environment safe even during the pandemic. Thank you.
Congratulations, class of 2020. It has been a tough year for everyone, but we did it. And I know school of my students, especially those graduating, will be good engineers and strong leaders. I want to say thank you to my family, professor, and friends for all of your support. And I'm proud to be a MISHRA graduate.
I'm ANIMESH MISHRA, an international graduate student. I'm majoring in underground construction and tunnel engineering. For me, the Mines journey is a difficult and fulfilling one. The academics, the research, and the struggle, all of which enable one to grow in a different way. My fondest memory at Mines is working in the soil mechanics testing lab in the last semester of my stay. I want to thank Dr. Michael Mooney for enabling me in becoming a better student and a better researcher. I want to thank all of my friends and colleagues for their continued support throughout my stay, and a big thank you to my parents for enabling me in this difficult journey. Thank you.
It's been a long 6 years coming out here to Colorado School of Mines, first for my undergraduate and then for my non-thesis master's as well. And I'm grateful for the community I've had here. It's represented the first time that I've been really able to establish friends and network outside of the local area that I grew up. And I look forward to seeing where I go beyond the Rocky Mountains or staying here if I find it.
Hey everyone, Joe Bourgeois here. Just want to give a shout out to the mining department. Hugh Miller, thank you so much for everything. Also want to give a shout out to the Mines cross-country running program. Chris Seamers, thank you so much. Also want to give a shout out to anyone who came to any of the Garage Fest events or anyone who's a part of it. You all rock. And to everyone graduating, congratulations. This delicious bowl of CTC goes out to you all. Take care.
Congrats class of 2020, we did it. We may be rambling wrecks, but we're also a hell of an engineer. Now the last step is to just take our whiskey clear. Cheers.